What's the meaning of auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb.
Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb, also known as a helping verb, is a type of verb that is used with a main verb to create various tenses, moods, voices, and aspects in grammar. Auxiliary verbs can also be used to form questions, negations, and agreement. They do not have their own meaning, but they support the main verb in expressing time, modality, emphasis, and other grammatical functions. Some common auxiliary verbs include be, do, have, and will. Understanding auxiliary verbs is essential for mastering English grammar and improving communication skills.